Oh, it's a beautiful palm tree here in Jimenez Occidentalis after the big devastating floods. Look at that cool palm tree. Not growing the right direction. Partly probably because this tree and the water helped. So this huge old tree fallen. But what happened to this guy? Here was a root coming up of a tree. And no top. The top pushed under the sandbar. So this was probably, well, gosh, hard telling unless we saw before. That might have been an old rotted tree with no top. But this guy was a beautiful old shade tree. I wanted to show earlier I saw some fern like in this, let's see if any are alive. Like a staghorn fern, but different. It is just, yeah, it could be a type of staghorn. How that is on there. I don't know why it would be dead though. Wow, look at these. That is crazy. So here's the fern. Maybe it got too much sun. Those are still kind of alive if you can see them. But way out of reach before. Very cool.